Do you want to open a foreign currency savings account with ICICI Bank at IBU Gift City? Follow these simple steps to get started quickly and securely. Log into Netbanking using your existing credentials to manage your account with ease. To open your foreign currency savings account with ICICI Bank, IBU Gift City, simply click on the Apply Now button. To open your Gift City Global Savings Account, select your existing NRE, Non-Resident External Account or NRO, Non-Resident Ordinary Account, for which your latest KYC is updated. Then, choose the currency and mode of operation. The system will fetch your details automatically. Check and verify your account number and contact details. Enter your education and occupation details to complete this section of your application. Select the appropriate nominee option. If you are adding a new nominee, please provide the details. Please ensure you enter your FATCA details accurately to comply with regulatory requirements. Please take a moment to read all the terms and conditions carefully before agreeing to proceed. Please review and verify your NRE account or NRO account details to fetch the information already available with us for a faster process. Enter the valid OTP that has been sent to your registered email ID to verify your identity. Your account opening application has been submitted. After document verification, your foreign currency savings account will be opened. For any account-related correspondence, ICICI Bank will get in touch with you.